Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, July 28, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, July 28, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong July 28, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, July 28, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for July 28, 2026 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, July 28, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.